Hey guys, I'll be doing an unboxing of the GoPro 11 in black. So you can go ahead and get this on Amazon. This is exactly what you're going to get. So let's begin. First thing is it just comes already in this zip up bag here. And here are a few of the things that you get. So let's go ahead and start with the camera. Go ahead and check out the camera here. Here it is. This is what it looks like. The camera, of course, it's got the power button on the top, screen in the back. Here's the button for the modes, for attachments. Okay, there it is. It's the camera. This is the battery for the GoPro. Okay. Of course, this is an attachment that it comes with. Charging cable, mount, and a screw to attach the attachments. Let's check out some of the things in here. So a couple GoPro stickers that you get. Okay, of course, a manual and some information about the warranty. So of course you can get this on Amazon.com. This is the GoPro 11. I also got a couple more attachments. You can also get the body vest and the mount for the helmet if you going to do some action shots. This one is, it does have an upgrade from the previous version where it's a little more stable for those action shots. So people that are going to be moving a lot, this is the one that you want to get. So that's basically it. That's what you get when you purchase the GoPro 11 from Amazon.